segekege kiribosyo ekiogokora ogendere koba monaintwe korobono iga oikachi koragange chinsa isatu chemambe yabono chinga kitochi gukora umurobero ito kurugiga se studio yomutobra nchebono female gender tuamanya koba a uniform tuamanya koba ime igoga iga twikira nerichi koria 2/3 gender rule ekero tubwata abasaya abasacha na incherendo mosubati nkuwakilishaga iga igobana kababo na intwe wiko mwario na mange tugochigosanga igoro ye club gete kerase skuru eyo ntari gotebia lakini ngogoteibare egera tumanyenga ekera bana barase chi school chi club nchiroro chira bakonye asa magimabo chi club nchiroro chira kinia their personality na confidence na barabo bagosokaga aria bakoba bantabana na kwanyoranga embao kwanira abantu one on one babwati bosokubonda singencho babete exposed early enough ekero balenga sechi skuru iyo karibu sana tubwati gwetera senchira yo mitandao na otolibira Ndizi TV News Digital abona nsema ya Facebook na otoli live awako genda garia you like you share you like you comment then you share abantu abangi banyore ujumbe yeiga wego YouTube na otoli garia Ndizi TV News na bogo subscribe you like you comment you share egera abantu abangi wajiunge pamoja na sisi ndoli okora chinsa chintambe ikaranzo ike egera totegera basaba baito aboroki wabaito tororenga alito batumeta ase skuru mbage mbanyagenderetie how do they balance amangana ya masomo na mangana ya clubbing gose club kiabo moto bwata be club omantawe sokanga ne club gyo nkubokia no nechi club chiri chiko konya aborokiwa ekero bale ase chiskuru ngo chibale gototebia na nekero kurigere t-shirt chiabo nchirikire elietalie club kiabo igobona kabamo na intwe weika omwalio karibu sana ndani ya studio aigana on Ndizi TV ngonye igumole kabisa this is your first time your second time
second time
nae
first
litangani kabisa changamuka kabisa maje nara ya mtubreto ni ato begera na ndigara ya liberera egera tunagosiba ngora karibu sana bono tigancha kero koboko kwane the far left anyala ko bagago introducing era ningo nkiao korase skuru ejo na ende ngakiale ase club ekyo era ningo ukurigereria kamera eri karibu sana kwana no mwanche muligereria
asante sana samalieta ngoro ku Brian Ben Brian
yes
ngoro skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic ngokore course ya social work
okay
ase club ekekia I got a talent jeniche president ye club
okay
so we have the abbreviation chiria amalieta makego eyo I G A T eyo mineti I stands for I got I stands for I then G stands for got A yatenera A then T yatenera talent so ina really talia club
I was nature abbreviations so a club we go I got a talent karibu sana kwa Kisii National Polytechnic karibu naye utangalia huko utatavia Marieta
aya asante
yes karibu
asa Marieta ngoro kwa Ezron Mogire ndalia we bali bana bandogete
yes
but ye kero nachiko nyana ngere go so industry gairo ka Lucky VJ all right inkinayora se I got club as I got chengo gachabesa
egono nyibwata ono ega okonye gacha
tali ngotara ne
egana yoko badenge kanto kaliga chipole chingana ega chito ikie target
so tokole me
ego muri numweka that means you are a lot abangi muri
mbona toko mera mind
okay karibu sana mwanchu muri na kinatigira abakwane skuru bakorwa asengenje skuru eyo elieta twanarete njit akataba nga JT kurenda wana yabeire Kisii National Polytechnic abwase abantu bonsi igere very diverse ebata baroko kora chinsemo bagocha kulia mafundisho oyo matabire nigao kora ekosi ya social work diploma certificate naye
diploma in building technology
diploma in building technology tubate president ye club kia I got togatwara net treasurer osomo gachibwenibo ase club kia I got tutara chaka mono karante bingo how is the environment at Kisii National Poly ningo ibantu bakatanga ali yani montona bago waita wakachingundi is it true how is the environment ya Kisii National Polytechnic
okay The environment is actually very conducive. We urge the people outside to bring their children to Kisii National Polytechnic because right now the school is it has grown big from even the changing of the name from GIT to
Kisii National Poly. Ninganyo mentelio yake kabisa. Yes.
So it has grown to a national polytechnic right now, and the standards have actually changed. So we have different courses that are offered there. We have right now even the school it's certified. Like you can the school can give you a certificate to any different course. Easy courses is mikono.
Yes.
So we urge people outside there, bring your kids to Kisii National Polytechnic. It's actually a nice school. Yeah.
Okay. And the environment is very conducive.
The environment is
very
conducive.
Igo wadanga Kisii ogoyekuwa na bobe anafaa kushikwa pelekwe ndani. Ngiora mentere Hezron.
Tena alikuwa tebanga. School nebu atama chikae.
Okay.
Na kile chiro nebu atebali.
Yes.
Lakini bali mengo chira yabu atuyeru nyagitari.
Yes.
Uwati na machikae ara se school.
Okay. Igo ne school ngia Kisii National Polytechnic. Asa wibuli bali bono babwate chitangatangu. Muhabaira assurance nga is a nice college, is a nice polytechnic. Baleta abana.
Baleta abana basome.
Intex ya chakire.
Osibadi. Chiburubura chiroro. Ananga kero kende ndo miete kunanga.
All right. Igo is a
Intex kuchi aba September.
Yes.
Tigabacha application yona inga. Agere by September nyole bebangire basoi.
All right. Ben Brian, ndi wasweta se college ya Kisii National Polytechnic.
School ya Kisii National Polytechnic na wasweta 2020.
Okay.
Na kolete kosi ntangani ya electrical engineering telecom option. And one karona korangara gochia tingarochi mwelekeo nende ngaso social work.
Okay.
Social work hiyo ngari kuchikonyo koro mwako.
All right. That's very good. Na ndi wasweta Hezron.
Na sweta September 2021.
Okay.
Mbono ndo mwako kabi.
All right. We are sana. Mwanchu mwe na tebenga kero tuachaka eto introduce trakin tatebe tinka stokoro. Ondara wara kaga bana oyana yaro Gusii, oyotari Gusii. Tatabi ango asechi nkase asoibero koro. Ben Brian.
Chenomo Gusii.
Okay.
Ne ribono ke Gusii ke kurato tanta.
Yes.
Ke
Nyamira
County ya Nyamira.
All right. Nyamira mata alichi mukomonu uchi.
Nyamira ya Nyamira.
Okay. Na Ezra.
Si tere chitago.
Okay.
Ego toka ichuni wote.
Okay.
Nyali bali masaba.
Abia mono sana. Nyamira county ya Nyamira na nyali bali masaba gaiga county ya Kisii. Abo barokiwa tole na barobugiga se studio kolenda yo mani gali president yekiombe kirito chigokwanira no yonde ni garo mugachi. Mwete nto chaka mangana yekiombe bwango tutaramanya na kibenyo oleta no nyana hasabu bali bone byongozi. That's why tuachakira from the outside. Tumanya go soime asenchira yo wekirano. Yugeta ma kora course ya social work certificate no yondo kora a diploma ya building and building technology. Yo karibu sana nyoko bwata libolia no mworokiwa utageta goswa eskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic na boko babolia bakawo bisi na yo chigoswa gosonye ko ra segeto tagete go chenja. It is very possible nando che Kisii National Polytechnic asenge chongwanchirera aborokiwa bonse ko gentekene ne gyuka no bwate qualification chiribaganete buna omworokiwa. Yo bana tome ujumbe yawo wetera se namba esimi eyorega ase TV yao na baigo YouTube na tole Ndizi TV News na baigo ensema ya Facebook tole live and Ndizi TV News digital. Bwana President, totebie igoro ye kiombe keiga. How did you come up? Naki mwigete mpaka mugacha ni kiombe keiga. Konyenkera ororo gose ni the pioneers ye kiombe kia I got talent.
Okay, ye kiombe ke. Kere skuru ma etene wate clubs and association department.
Yeah.
Igo chi talent Johnson chanjire kere skuru. Ono neli kiombe ke ngiarenge active.
Yeah.
One karo tuacha kogundua una we have talents chitari natured. patron yito ekaamua tigeri vaivwe kiombeke. Then we sat down, we tried to identify talent yechiko ao tugasangi kumbe talent yechikumbe chire chinyinge nenda abante bachirarire tamatu. Ndakaro kodigereria ense abono iga abanta abange bakure talent chabo chitari nechada. So no mbona karo twachita gukore function ya exposing the talents show yalenga on Saturday.
Yes.
Abantu ba registered about talents balenga abange mpaka abane to abani netama bakayoko showcase talent chabo. I think ya karo mwalengo live coverage mwa.
Yeah, we saw.
Wone kiombeke bone gana litwagiansire bono actively. And abantu abange bachire ko waka chinko ibune kiombeke ebinto tokora ne bieke maina no the principal yoka recommended that it has actually grown massively within a short duration of time. We had even the function we did twanya korete in a very abrupt way. It about the budget, it about the kindergartens, but people turned up nicely. So people outside here, they do support talent, lakini montawo support utara oro ki talent ya one.
Yes.
Ane bukunga grete ngote vero montonaro etu tarante ya yonda kai wibero yonda kai wisano oyo etwe yamo atachete kwenye expose kanyiralera yobona bako sangi bwate talent nendo kunero
oyerarite oso uro montolio bwate amentero. Yes, that's a very good quote from the Bible. Asante ine nkwana kurase President Ben Brian abuna atebire kyombeki nkiarenge ine existence. Ezron hana kimona kero mwachite mwamwire nge kyombeke kebe active nga kimoje temo okenyora ine treasurer oya kenyora na president, and this is the first leadership mobwato semwara kodira monchuruli.
Kero na seta school September. Ndarachuka so school.
Yes.
Wakanyore ntumugitega. Kwanyora na ngere kulikalika matera.
All right.
Ikinege ndokia nenge meyane. Na achete it was 2021 February.
Yeah.
We had the elections. Ngagenda ngatenene kirogia culture and sports. Ngaeta. I was working as the Minister for Culture and Sports. Ona kerato abwate cultural week school. Nalitu merenete na madam wakanta inabwate kiombe. But it's imekuwa dormant sana. Kaniambia so the people perform the cultural week. Tobalike tokuwa nabo. Tuchukue revive kiombe.
Kiombe, yes.
Bona nalitwanya alete ko revive. Kiangere o chabono tobwata chingu.
All right. Na kimokore tobo choli. Abantu once they agreed on you people. Bakabaye biroge byo gose mwabwate competition gete mukara korochi campaign. Say how did it happen?
Nto abwate competition. But bona kero tuacheta utigo kuligia bantaba. Tuacheta ko barige tukabatebinga ninju. To
changa msheki ombeke be active. All right.
Bono ko barige okoiga bagatonara in consultation.
All right, okay.
Ntubago chababuli anything. Bono bagatonara una baraiba.
Okay. Anything ora mentor about una mwenyo leta se biroge biga mutenete other I got comrade.
Okay, ekiombeka. Osangi umete uno mo oyetwachanera kwa no mo treasurer. Kera lenge Minister of Culture. To wate vinte via modeling chi school.
Yeah.
Bogo chamwa showcase.
Yeah, talents, yeah.
Talent and working on stage the runways. Ono egasangi ngakie you no eninche na bwate I had a talent yogo chora lakini ono ya lenge exposed. At that moment ngaenda ngasangi endi kirenge ende runway ntabwati ujumbe ende yonse. Oneka ona ende runway ega ikabono na abuire.
Okay.
Nabo sangi kwa abuire kyagera to this thing you are not into it, but when you go to do it you find you are actually emerged to be the winner. Oneka sangi have emerged to be the winner. Ngava Mr. Culture school wa weekend, of which I'm supposed to retire this year. Oneka twa naire gerogekyo tugansa bono it's like we want to expose even when you go to other schools you find even ngo kolekana biro lakini school yabo mbikaliko kolekana.
Yes.
So madam shared the idea because she's been the one yokorani even via culture school.
All right.
So Mr. Treasurer tried to fight even the lakini tabwate the actual way to do them. But when I got to watch Sangyo to Watokoboko, we have actually reached somewhere.
Mukagorere platform. Mukaye tambwa. Igongo wete Minister for Sports and Culture. Igotore Minister ngimawega se studio. We are with the President and the Minister. Usingwa chito karubu Minister obo. Bagachaka go focus on treasury bono yao.
Eba korobo obochori. After 1 year.
All right.
Bono mwaka oyo mbachorete. Bono ikergo no muntu mungao kebwate
bono. All right.
Lakini rende gente kinje ngialengi meana. Na chete go vibe because na taite ko kolega asiyo.
All right. Mbia mono sana. Mr. President, ntumanyete ngana ase utwikire innovation, technology, ana mangana yechinjira chekerero. One is the way to go. One identifying a lot of staff, also a lot of students as a school number that talent. How are you planning abana bakonyeke na inwe mokonyeke kogendereria ebipawe biga sengencho nabo morachakie school biya kabisa but kero monto gosoka mogosirirani because bana moche mosoka mogende then that talent itakufa tena ngakibona moko abantu omoya barokiwa bamino buna mo identify that talent egerege endererio karioka.
Okay, Tangani as a club, we even have a constitution of the club.
Oh, you have a constitution?
Yeah, the club contains a constitution. You kogaidie club wekina kikao kwa living to biabo. So, one innovation is actually key to most living standards of people outside here. Gawano monto tache tu tumeke talent ya bobuya na bora sangi ko chimotua masoma tari ko chimotoko we have living examples akina Churchill. I think he was a teacher and he resigned from being a teacher kinda into the comedy stuff. So our main goal outside or inside our club Igora Talent, the main goal is we want to make our people understand that you can live without even going to school. Or you can use your talent to have a living outside here. And also your talent can expose you to more people or to more prominent people and opportunities outside here. Above all, you can use your talent to create awareness about the social problems that are occurring outside here. So that is the main goal we actually want to enable our people in our club to do.
Yonga na mochi motigana kero monta ende kivyake stiri mori gotigana mono asa mangana yo kini industry.
Our constitution actually we are not going to have or we are not going to separate from the industry after even finishing school. Kiagara wone karo mugo chiko sirerani ye club wekina karo yakure nenda abantu banze from zero. So we are going to actually nurture it. Kwanza ntubwate partnership from I think next week. Mtocho tutware app we gotoka Play Store.
Yes.
Koruku bone go chiko the abbreviation of a club kito I got. Gonna was from next week. Someone partnered with us. Icon Hub we gotoka mwalimu Sako. So he's going to make for us an app.
You're coming up with your app. Ndobansi yako so
that kwaligerelie bintu tokokora. Amawaswa gari YouTube mwarre bintu tokokora. Amawaswa ali Twitter mwarre bintu tokokora. And then amawaswa gari Facebook page ite koroku I got KNP. Amogo follow, more like you comment. More bintu twa tokokora as a club.
So all social media platforms mochingo chitumeka more in the right way abantu banyore about your club kebe in fact kebe kenene ndokerero from Kisii National Polytechnic but kegende asatambi mbia mona sana then Ezron onye club ekabere in existence for a long time nande mwagi activate I think italibono mwagi activate go kiara very active for some time. Why did you wait mpaka on Saturday? Nkitota nakororera na activities kurmaiga mpaka tugachiko chaime. Tugachakubwatera na all of us. I got na Ndizi TV na babwata ni balengo on that day. Why did you wait until Saturday?
ekene club gia chagete kero kende konyoran tutue katotara so school bona kero tuwa chigoso egento ngere kere otebana tokwenda orio omonto okorema omoire school achigosoma bona kero mwarimu anyora ng'a ntobwate talent naende ntori interested kero kende nabo oranyora abanto are kobwaki nabo mbari bakorete school bakagende club kikachigotigara dormant naki gekogera togoteba ntu bono natukura ntori gokelimit within the institution tutakere togesoki siko kebe registered no any siko gai bono naki gekogera twiranete ngaki eyega and about the go this time is always the best.
Nabora yarenga bono no musulino orenge gose no kumanyikana kwino kwari gochakoba no kwari gochakera. That was the beginning of the road. Ambia mono sana mwanchu muligererie gotole ne vijana abo baraborokiwa ngototaibare na kibagwikirania mangana abo ya masomo classwork amona mangana ya clubbing asenginchoroche neganetia mangana mangi anna benga ngane sakugete etagete all of your time because wochagote nigento kebe ne club asengincho abange bachakirie ande byerarangero se byakwerangira conflict ngo babolinde barabuna kibako overcome that challenges inchirororo ikatororo kolende na butoli na barabu megaiga as a studio abasae abarokigwa kora Kisii National Polytechnic under a club ekoroga I got talent abwasi bago showcase and batagete kogendereria ba identify some talents chirocho barabwasi barabo barorengana kibago sukanibosio bagosirana in one way or the other. No interested na barabo no ganetio soimo obakonye spiritually, socially, economically, financially bagona boko babwate wetrasi chi social platforms chabo egerororengan kibaganetie bakoreri kyobo baganetie korwa sole no nyeno gosira konde was because this is an upcoming club as a escurator ya Kisii National Polytechnic. President tutaraenda atambe ni metenga like any other institutions ntobwate challenges there here and there kule ningu ikatora west challenges. How do you make sure abantu ababonzi mwachiramo anye mobegetenga lero on Thursday we gonna meet? How do you achieve that? Asenga chino kanyarondo osabiro kwabera orusoko ochire bintu byae ondo ochire mwanyoranga na ene secretary ama ne treasurer morororo. So how do you make sure ng'abantu abonse karomwa dabire it's on this day all of them are present?
Kaibuna na kwana litangani ntubwate constitution ye club. A constitution no any country and what a constitution.
But some go against the constitution.
There is always repercussions when you go akaroko and amamincha ye lichiko limobegeta. One club ngebwate lichiko liae. Ya karobono tote for example kwangire go chachi meeting ye chonsi pitoracha. Event ke go chawocha to go perform.
Okay.
Kwaror. Savantu basangi they have been invited outside to go perform. You are barred from doing that. For example, I want to bring a major issue that I handled yesterday, just yesterday night. We had a function on Saturday. Kare function ya warekana to wate binte na modeling and kiam. On even the function without a budget, but people expect the Karomo function. You have to award them. You have to obey no any transport again.
Yes.
On of intobune bianya canete ko bang kabuna biya on time because time was also limited. So osangi bona bantu monta wansa batamuna muabu atachibesa mokakoreki mokalia mokakoreki. So these issues are always there. So it's all about how you handle them and how you explain to these people. So you make them understand that these things rain without a budget, and when there is a budget, it's always transparent. We are always there. It will always be transparent, and everybody will be awarded according to how you performed. And mark you, into organize the event, into a togo tenena maega, na into toy karas to ligerina ki. so that abantu bali bakuba judge bali bakuba bakotoa abantu bali batanganire bali kuba between us.
Yes.
Bakuba abantu abangao na utorakorangire no na yo choikanaze oligereria abantu buna bako perform onye no gotera batera oto mutangani no. One from there you give recommendations oyo amagosa NRI oyo NRI yakora what will you do to improve. So that is how we manage our challenges.
Okay. Bia mono sana. Ezron, how do you make sure nga torochi marangiro mukutano a constitution nero the key ekobaleta amo egarumuntu takwenda against the constitution. How many times moko hold these meetings? Ntaraka woli bonale ukuboli. How many times moko hold meetings une club?
Etora abantu abange sana. Totorachi kumira ababande abange. Totebekere section modeling imbabwato muteneneliobo.
Yes.
Tobwata music imbabwato muteneneliobo. Tonde modern dance imbabwato yobo. So these leaders intubona na butoko anda tuwa meet because intugo chikumira abantu
abonsi PS.
To kera tumira ni na aba leaders yabaiga. Na butoko kwanira twabatebinga make sure by 4 muri training mwe spingo etatorera round tobacheki tororenga kimogenderete. Bono these leaders na butoko pressure kwenda ko
Brian, abantu balenga bali se club ke Ezron atavire there are a lot.
Okay.
But I know you have the exact number.
Okay. I have an exact number, but we still having people joining. And ekoro monta de togo join yo maete lichikera smalibo.
Yeah.
Talikero monta waswa nyomba talikonok. Kobono we have abantu bali batanganite.
Okay.
Kwarod. Ndakare club giansire ko kina kero monto noroche na bagotaka baswa ime. Ono ntobegeta machiko. The exact number bono gatobwata abana 67 wa joinile.
All right.
Modeling here what the highest number, me included. And choma etoon inchimbe president nimbo tenenete high modeling around around inchengo humble down. He was actually even supposed to come in channel work.
Is a he or a she?
A he. Is the current actually Mr. Face of Kisii County.
All right.
Is Mr. Untamed Kisii and then Mr. Ito Skuru Galia.
Okay.
So he's actually doing a good work.
All right. Whatever is Mr. Then wana mwangire asamangana gender parity. Eka royal treasurer, ole president, secretary, timaide se montoki. Imo balance ti mangana gender parity wase motote nilete mwens. You have to?
We have to secretary.
But then, can you tell me your leadership? Mbalenga mole? Mama ande waswati mbalenga.
Okay.
Mayagora se moto migiretense wase.
Actually, tore balanced. Tore hava murababere.
Yes.
Na baisike babere.
Oh. Nkirene mudande dara no muswati wa mona inje. Tupelekana hivi na hivi. Mikakati kuna reason jiso abunjiro chitatangeke. I know she was to be here. So that tumanya igomachumulele mangana gender parity, balance oikawe everywhere. Togocha konyara basaja na ubu kabale leaders wikoma subati aswagati yabo koba mix kobale atameta saba subati bale baharibiki neno abana basai kurase club kya I got kurase eskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic bagenda togo share 90 about their club ngikeli bago kora na kibage chagetie the membership the constitution iwete mbabwate mbake katiba ekobara one thing where somirenga never na kiombe mwacha giki abantu batana you must have a constitution saying nchomuntu akwenda mamincha alimo konyora the asimo konyara komwere discipline or say a punishment kare constitution yerororo. Thank you so much. On Saturday antu alenge galia Kisii National Polytechnic event ya beto organized nainwe una leaders wa IGAT na babwata ni bande mbale ngororo. How can you describe after this event, after mwachete abantu abange mbali girete through online Ndizi TV not walengalia, a lot of people were watching. How can you describe bono event yega impact ye event yega after all abantu mpaka kerete this event they want to join more and more was one on nalibata itoko soka
actually
yes
the event was massively a success. Because you ekaroko nyora abantu very prominent, for example, the director of culture, Kisii County, Mr. Obino.
Yes.
Living even to be a Oja. Someone also.
Director, amini producer Ondenga, Ben Brian, aongee kwa nguvu kiasi.
Okay, ngosa ngiorwa buna, for example, the chief judge olengo around Mr. Culture, Kisii County. Oyu okoroku Mr. Obino.
Nyambane mwalimu.
Nyambane, yeah. Ogosangio monto buno yogotige bintu bia byonsi piko cha grace the occasion mpaka akagokiwa ka kere familia ya kabate inchu monko nyamombe listo ma ko enda nainu.
Yes.
So meaning what was being conducted here was very brilliant.
Yeah.
So avanta wange came, we have even the Minister of Roads from Nyamira County came, we have the Director of Program Films, Steward came,
Yeah.
we have the former Minister of Administrative Kisii County, Honorable Edina attended.
Kangwana,
Yeah. So you see these people coming, it actually means that the event was actually organized.
Okay.
Yeah.
Though it was on a short...
It was actually on a short notice.
Yeah, short notice.
Yeah.
Did we have any member, or say an official from Kisii County, Mangana Culture and Sports?
Actually, they came.
Yeah.
They came. We have the organizing secretary, Mr. George. We have the chairman came late.
Okay.
We even have an apology from the office of the first lady, the governor also. They were actually supposed to come. But because of these issues of the prime minister, so they could not come.
So through this partnership with Ndizi TV, it was very impactful. So you continue so that we can be your partners all the time.
You are already even our partners,
Yes.
hosting us for the interview.
That's very correct. Yeah. Asante. Ezron, Ezron, President here about how the show was. Na eninko enayora kwana ke the impact ye event here on Saturday. Yeah, but massive. Keromonto was watching. We were your partners into a partnership, all of us to achaime. You can describe ngana kiarenge alafu mayochi kontebinga ekeroro mugachi. It means you deal with every talk. Ndaisi konyole ntekyo na kimogo chaka registration fee how much so that monto teto goswaime egere amanya na kiagwepanga. But first chakira, how was the event on Saturday?
Event yetarachi gochaka Saturday ke maambi ndo abwato bugoba sana because nabo igentekero gekora litangani alafu una yalengo na short notice nabo ko wanga ngecheke be successful.
Yes.
How are you going to approach this? Ndo abwata bakai gaikerase togataka naende torate nini.
Yes.
Torate banga wono
Murebanga buya.
Tiga twenda turebanga. But into akorete ya beta buya sana.
Yes.
In fact tinechinza chia tokete because isu tukorete event saa 7 ya butuko. Saa 7 nalia bantu bagasoka. Bakwenda chinyumba bachikora. Gokwanera itugeri.
Yeah.
And we thank the institution, we thank the principal and all mwenye alikuja through.
Yeah.
Ilikuwa sawa.
Who made the event a success? Thank you so much. Mbia mono sana. Mbia mono sana. Mwanchi muligereria nogaroche tugenda tukwanira igoro ya I got Kisii National Polytechnic with some of the officials. Tubwate president ne treasurer. President Ben Brian amane treasurer Hezron tugenda tukwanira mage igoro ye club mono event yakolekana on Saturday as Ndizi TV 92 acheteime ko partner ne skuru yone club ekyo o showcase talents bagotebanga on that day Saturday nalimu alenkoligi extra talent search because it was a talent search. Morora abande mbarabiyaba. Can you tell us morato what was really happening gikiarenge in a summary form? How nakiritu kuliaro lekanete na kurumambia that nini yani
the picture.
Yeah, the picture of that day nakiarenge nonya no yota arengoro nonya no yota aligeritu wetera Ndizi TV online platforms amanye what really happened.
Okay, onyendria nyale kano tangon to aboro ki the people who participated on the clips, but they are saying in 1-2 reasons we actually can't do that because Noembo no Oyotuachanera also performed. He's an artist. We also thank Babuji came through. We have Lavi, the gospel artist, came through. They all participated, and I also got surprised. Nimbuato Mosani. Konyenta maitho basinabuate a very blessed skill. Maite ntu etokoli kekaro beke gitabu gukibeka iga. Gukibeka iga kwalika.
Boronge proper.
Era gionchora iga. Kara gionchoire iga olika iga.
What?
Gabono monto le kurwali na ero gosoma. Era kara gukilika kurwa era na bagosoma.
Guy.
That is a blessed skill.
That's a talent. That's a very special skill.
And there kara ko rundie gali tari ko rundie gali bunantu to ko rundie karo ko lieli era ko beka moisega tari ko focus direct.
Si hapa nikubahatisha.
So we have different people who have been trained or who are born with different skills. But to us, we call them talent.
Talent.
Because I think we have Montonaro, Muiscanaro, Lenge Churchill show. Ero como te chisa buchinde chonsi ko te reach within a sparkle of a second. So that is also a skill. Yeah. But we call it a talent.
We call it a talent. Yamona sana. So what is your objectives? We say egoli mwato tebi. Some of the objectives check your mbeke so that kiva make more intact and more ngangu achieve more. That's almost the achievements. But in achievement, what are the objectives ye kiombeke I got?
Okay, the most objective or the main objective of the club is to nurture these talents.
All right.
That is the main objective, and to make them exposed, not locally, but even nationally. Kagara, talanta ya goma etena be ko ransa.
Yes.
I also appreciate Noembo Naiga. I have also met people on Talenge Gocha I could also not come to Ndizi TV again because Kennedy on the Kangocha Condeta. On a talent ye was to organize event here. Trochi Atoletre. So our main objective is to be a stepping stone. A daraja yavanta walchi talent to their future.
Yeah. So you are the link between them. Asante sana Hezron. Ngochi mwongera nili all of you because you are students. Na warakiwa more na ino motagete your time because this thing is a time consuming program because we can Ebatio motu na kito kora tu ikere kwirende elie goal kwanza utaraenda gabo ibodi nare kubori aya no mugachi chibesa mogoro ngai mogoro chibesa because you are still students. How do you achieve and chibesa nirenga montakarata teko register alafu naenda ebintu mbire mora atake na kimogo communicate mo make sure mwanyalire all this money ichi abakonya kwegendereri
asebono iga Ndoranya ko register abantu.
Yes.
Na ne fee ende yonsi. Registration is
free. Okay.
Bono ekero kanyora un event yetu abwate. Unde naro wote banga na bonta ikirane. Patomere 500 ya nega iga. Abomo kokora jende.
Okay.
Yibo nonto bwate account yetu. It's a joint account. Toye vegete gali ase posta undo gutaka
tiganda antigango na chake ntebyo mwanchu muligereria nga a picture na waya arenge iyo binte biro cha se TV ya mwanchu muligereria iyo nkorwa Saturday buna na kyamangana arenge ase ensemo ya Kisii National Polytechnic orojero masubati munyaroko munyakieni abuiga bakorokia korango perform barenge amangana ya matera bo se dance igo. That is what happened on Saturday as skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic abwasto bwata basaye ba ko represent a club kia I got abo bakire as studio watotebya mange igo bana keroro cha bwa TV yao ni chibicha na kirgia korekanite lituko lya Saturday. We carry on.
Bono nange gotebanga ndubwate epipili yeto tubegete gai ondo kanyoro tagete go support club eke no akwenda utume beseri ororo na maybe kero konyora gusave na bari bachete fiscal there was awards muntu naroka ndoko legendo gali okogoki wateba ngoyo tiga gukende
Yes, yes.
bona chibasa chiri chigo cha turumi arafu muntu lyuma na guchikonyora
All right. Igo registration is free.
sai registration is free
Lakini ndamo gwikirania mahitaji inu because wine kiumbe it has to be itiriko baira mwaso to your pockets bunabarai because bintu birotha na gote ya abantu lyoka concerning money abantu bagutama. How do you handle it?
Yamba na chake actually ekero ole leader anchirani rasimoru sinaye kia pomobuko.
Yes, that's true.
That is a big challenge now we have, the biggest finances.
Yeah.
Kagara ekero tu ansete a function here. We started it without finances. And we give a big thank you to Madam Perez, who is our patron, who is also a lecturer at our school.
Yeah.
She actually did an immersive job. She used her cash. She used a lot of resources to make the day
She sacrificed.
Yeah. I remember even tulikosana because of the event. She was even getting disappointed because the guests were coming. Bosongo Hospital, actually, we thank them, they partnered with us.
Right.
So, unapata the visitors have already arrived, ndio ninangangana kuweka tent.
Wow.
So you see, we had no that tukwa na ile support because people thought the event could fail. But out of that, it turned to be very successful because of the consistency and the trust we had for each other. So the resources right now, the constitution, there is a place that it states that when you want to join the club, you must have registration fee. But you couldn't konye introduce that much. Kagara no ano mwana ma itagarote tanze koli chingendo komo
matera
kuchibataiga achinale enda ya yenale. Kero ya analire okomo achingi manya gutakuna guchialia.
Yes.
So that is how we starting. But from the next event, I think next term, you are actually highly invited.
Thank you.
You partner with us, you support, you give the award to the most brilliant people when you're Mishinda. So from the next term, we have that line that whenever you want to join, lazima oakane join.
Nkona chake na endente yo mwanchi muligereria nga oyoro chogende to kwa nabu assemble no musubati Edna Kangwana mwanta ebina chitase no arenge was among the officials go say abageni very tukelio o chakoranga na ki club kia IGAT kegendreta aseskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic igone yaro yo ochetena kuru enkwana yasinga nchora beira samangana ya iga mono mononko moratule asemeyegeye iga gokinia ebiegwa byabana kuru asorongo rwa Gusii ebe chiskuru chi university ebe culture na mangana mange nerna abakwanirete kaba obosemi nguchimolo tatainki abatebeti nkimura inyure keri atebete kia na atebete nagendere kubakonya gose is that day yoka achete abakwanire na indagende igo alafu na inde mwanchumuliga bono oyo Edna Kangwana ogendete ukwa nabo elineri tukolia Jumamosi getasen kya Ndizi TV no tweichire no twarenge partners ntwabwatranete na Bosongo Hospital ya Rengororo Kisii National Polytechnic na buchi host chi arenge igone gintu kyarenge kenene sana igo karumuro cha abarokiwa bacha koro all the way koro eskuru gotalige ntu kyago soli kyarenge and we hoping for the future ntogendre go partner so that we raise tokonye byegwe biga egera abana bachagwe konya ase amatuko ale bosio a lot of speakers mbakwanete. What was the encouragement more appeared from them na inde mpaka endreko babwatesia wase barenge the guest of the day rioka bagakwana ayaba kairera.
Okay, the guest actually they were actually very much impressed.
Okay.
Because the main goal amasomo maete na bogweta. Chigas chikobole. Tosoensa igato baba ibi baono para.
Yes.
But when you know or you have actually nurtured your talent in the best way, you can diverge and your talent will actually pay your bills. For example, I made a joke to the Minister of Lands, Nyamira.
Yeah.
When the ladies of cooking skills from the central part were showcasing their pilau and viazi and their porridge. from Central.
Yeah.
So I was joking with the Minister of Lands by saying, nakioro chawantaba kwa nyomira bano abante yo toro chege tambie genchoma ete na gotri
Wana.
ante jeninyu omete aba naende na bondo chi na bona aminyoke gochimata ali busendi gyo erafiki yana ro gochimata ali egere na inche naenda nanyole rongoli yoro because actually the porridge was sweet.
Yeah.
So the joke itself paid me. The joke itself paid me.
You.
Yeah. So I was awarded for that.
For that simple joke.
For that simple joke.
What do you comment on that? On the same, the speakers of the day, with their speeches.
But at the motivation, at the same time a challenge.
Ndombara that bakari goita. Egene yekoro ki arenge moroche. Abwa TV. This was a drama.
In fact, this group wako hivyo. Wako signed PPC. So unapatanga hizo events za president wanakuanga huko.
All right. Yeah, na wagoita sana. And when do you do such a masoezi ya umopaiga? Everybody is using energy. Ndeta yo gotenga. Ndeta yo
actually
gotenga matagataga.
This group wanaiga very out for sports.
Okay.
Mombasa, as we are speaking, we have even dancers who have performed in front of the president. We have the drama people, they have performed in front of the president.
Yes.
And they get paid.
All right.
Yeah.
Pia kike mangu kwa na kwarenge gento getiga ni mantara kuna chankoro ki dance ye nona engwar kore mereliete igo tutara ye kwanera with that energy turagose.
Nalenge gotebanga the start motivation and even a challenge because isa konyora buna the director for culture Mr. Bino.
Yeah.
Enjira gotenga bono iga. Na enda manya goteba dance yo ka gotenga bono iga turi kumuikira. Na ndo manya kuimoka gotebanga nange ko bomusae gaki. Bono noroche agotamani bono iga bomusae aya no musae.
Lakini tura muikira genda gukora.
Ni challenge egotebanga go beyond him.
All right. Ngomanyiwanga your patron mwamukwanire sana Madam who?
Paris.
Madam Paris.
Madam Paris. Oyo lega bwa screen. Ne ara gusoma muntu mwa watu abekire. Ni yeye. Kwananga something about her. Juma mention it sana. All of you ni mentekero muntu na maito bya bwaye. So you can speak something small about Madam.
Oh, you speak fast.
Oh, you speak fast.
Like we said, she worked so hard.
Yes.
Abuno kanyora lego tumeka resources chae abo kanyora kire tasini ni gwa kire si miabwata gwasi ngentogete bono gya kore kanire kero kende na ba abwata pressure imeae na ende kero kurigereri interest ya ne talent ya banafunzi grown because togoteba ngati numuntu gwatebesa yaye okwenda akore ibintu byae tokonyora sigitega tumugete ngatabwati kenda akora numuntu roseti ibintu byaye kare batibona ataite gotokonya na intu tugiro in fact yobere na intu baka we feel comfortable ita onye taliere
kanga moroji
was into pia success
because yagotumeka chibesa chiae Navara mini abatige uche but she's with you.
Abageni abache te bounce pia actually. Na roba invited. Dutu ekantu ale konyara.
And you are so lucky. President, kwana something about Madam.
Okay.
Oyora se TV ya umwanchu muligeria ogendete gukwana buneri tukulia Jumamosi karoba bwate event ya nene kigima ase skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic ase club kia I got twatebunga I got a talent. Tulini President Ben, Brian na Ezron.
Okay, to speak about our patron, we really want to again thank her so much. You could nabuko ankora na gawi karansega oro chemuna nabu at stress get.
Yeah.
Because ninyo lete to ikaransi got the event. Amayaga abasangia abantu baro bata balenkorangelu bataliko cha perform.
Yes.
Mara imetampo ngoto sumbure. Mara estime yo kwenye gusira amayaga onta ibono maete na rosire. Ntete torangelia abantu babere. The honorable Edina Kangwana akwane kabo kore gatoka tokole yeah. And I told her kira torore na kiritu kuliko genda. Akante mimi hara nimepata a short notice, I'm going somewhere. Because alikuwa na feel the event is not going to be successful. Akagenda. Akante I take control, I've gone. Karaira na kama was angesti mahirani people are performing nicely. Akama was settled down. The event is going the way it should be. And she's a lady who wants always the best. The best out of something. Yeah. You may notice you have a talent. Trust me, he will push it to the next level. She's someone who supports talent fully. She can use her cash, she can use her resources, anything to make your talent ijulikane uko nje. Yeah. That's very perfect. You can speak something, you can say something to her. Maybe she's watching you right now. Personally, I say thank you. Okay. Personally, okay, I want to say thank you to Madam Paris. We really appreciate, despite the many challenges here and there, we will always stand with you for the club, and we will always want to achieve the achievements that you have for the club. Madam Paris, your personal opinion, because she has been a support. I have felt it.
Madam kama tavingambo ya mono sana because maina sira asta yotora agenda for real ukwane ke maina asta yotora agenda at some point na boko nyoroge chi unaintu ata ko give up but ito kama tavi agenda reko banaintu atobwa to koboko agenda tunyara ko bato guikera amagania ito. All right. Bia mono sana Madam Paris na nje kwa niaba yao na nje kuna Ndizi ngotebanga endelea kutoa support as a club kia I got ya KNP egera bana baiga bakine so that their talents chichikomanyekana not even in Kisii, not even in Kenya, but outside the country egera na intwe tutuare chimbaba tokomanyekana across the world. Biamona sana Madam Paris nyasaye tikakupatisi nobo teneri bwensi we skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic na kia support kurwase bono the whole administration ye college yero wasembano mokuna ko navigate kamarole ko simbabe into board. Okay, kukwana igoro ya administration. I want to thank the principal so much. For the first time, I've never addressed the principal, even the former, about the clubs and anything, even the school fees issues. I've never sat with the principal. So I found out that the principal that we have currently is a man that we can speak. He's a parent. So he's a person who understands what talent is. And he's a person who is ready to support talent. And we appreciate so much for the token that he gave for the function. We really appreciate. We've not come to say it in person, but we've done it from here. We appreciate. He's a guy that a person that you can share the ideas with, and he will sit down and listen to you in a very sensible way. And if the idea is not working, is a person who will tell you, Appa, my hands are tied, I can't do this. Like when we went to him about the budget, we gave him the budget and he told us, young men, you're looking good. I think the Mr. John came, the Ndizi fraternity, they were also there. He told us that you're looking good, but you've given me a short notice. And as much as I'm the principal, doesn't mean the resources of the school are mine. So I have to pass the procedures for protocol. It to be given unto you. But I'll do something for you. And if possible, I'll wish to attend. But because I'm tied, I can't attend. And trust me, he supported us. So the school fraternity, the administration really supported us. By giving us even the place to host the event is still a success. It is possible. Now look for somewhere else so that you do your business. But then the school compound. No, short notice, so we are sure next time karamoko banga on time budget never bija awanto people ba enjoy mo tigarane blame koru as your fellow colleagues abuyenga mo wate budget ate mogaje tene treasurer
Asante sana. Ndoche nara goteba kwa litmus paper amusinto maturi korwa peglo agoteba nwale ime agoteba eko kwa hao students wa songe mbele sana. Nindoche Samson Oroswa korwa gembo machoge chache otebire hi bright students, ask them how do they balance about the club and their studies. Yongo babuli narengi, but thank you so much Samson Oroswa. Eric Baraza asante na narole message yao somewhere. Narole message yao somewhere kwa tena keep up the good work. Good morning Ensakia. Niko ndani though late. You look bright this morning. May you be blessed so much. Mbia mono sana. Mashabiki mwagendrete gutumachi ujumbe chino. Nindo che Rebecca Ombati. Kurachinsa macha suneka. Koteba say hi to Brian and Hezron. Let them work hard. That is a great mind seated there. Asante sana. Aso gutuma ujumbe ya ino. Na bali mwensi mwagenda tuku chituma wetera SMS number. To wakangambia mono. Bali mwagenda tuku gutubuatia wetera online. Nero Ndizi TV News Digital. Yawe Valine Atuma. Wilson Kena wa Osoro. Kura Nyamache Nyabite. Agoteba noare ime. Na bali mwensi mwagenda tuku tumachi ujumbe tokoteba nga. Thank you so much. Na romboli nga Ben Brian. No mwako karenga. Wesire gukora. Gokorua roro. Ngokwira li bagali yao. Mwensi by the way. Nata tukumanyanga mebakisha muda upi. Egere mwokora. Amasomeno korwa se skuru ya KNP.
Okay, togo chaka nancha. Intikale tieme tienyange ene vose tano nkore skuru. Kini bono, talent is something that will live forever. And talent pays. That is something I've kept on insisting. So in Nyamira, Koru Nyamira Wocha Wosongo is a short distance. And I'll always be there for the club as the chairman. And we can't actually just Kore Skuru, you hand over the activities or the leadership to someone else who even still doesn't know how the club runs, because our constitution clearly states that this what we are going to have is leadership of other categories. But the other seats of the officials will remain forever, because we are the ones to go and search these people who have got talents. We bring them.
I got you.
Yeah.
Ezra, how many time otigaleti gukora masomo kuru KNP?
Skuru. We are supposed to go 2025.
All right.
Gobona nindororo. But rende kira venga na kore kuroro na soccer kuroro. Our aim was to nurture. The same way we nurture talents, we can also nurture leaders. Again, the kega titi which kovera Roma to consi.
Yeah.
Na bako nyara kero kende na soccer go chabu na chiriko. Kuira na bono kobe sponsor. Because my aim is to nurture. One kero kega kerongo ketiga na bako nyara na chiro mondongoti kotigeroro.
Thank you so much. How do you balance your studies amanega si yekiombe kia aigat? Tuchakere Ben Brian.
Okay, mostly osangi etobegete we meet on 2 days a week, of which we meet from 3:30 to 5 each day. So you find that class chiel rekoru chinseji. Wanye class ke gotoka ngeli kere fixed. Keli hours chiria omondo tabwena tukotoke school.
Yes.
So you find that you can easily manage.
Yeah.
Kiagero sangi chinseji wa call reveras tokota abuna no bwate reveras from 7 to 5 the whole day. Omo igora sangi otanyale gwa attend chinseji. Yeah.
The same comment on that.
I can only get my timetable. Most of my classes chill in morning hours. Kienda sana unapata inafika saa 10. Saa 10 hiyo ndio time ya games. Wana kero kwa nyore kwa very class, kwenda ku freshen up, naenda kwa field. No, I follow the timetable na toke class. But ikifika ni time ya games, naenda huko.
Chinse chimobegete moko meet 2 days a week. Which day and which day?
It is on a Wednesday and on a Friday.
Wednesday and a Friday. Unfortunately, our time is up. It is already 1 minute past the hour, past 9 a.m. Na hiyo ndio saa kipindi nafaa kuisha. Kulende na robolinga how do you balance? I think Samson Oroswa umejibiwa na inche na irane liwe na bolinga ngakimo balance, but mwatabirenga most of the classes teach in the morning kere class gichiete sana saa 10 andoko nyoranga that time abantu abangi babwat that classes you know moigora misi amanya ko updated later. Ukolira, what is your ngana ino bono yo mwelia about the club? Kulenda mutarateba just dege mo producer mwana kwenka conflict ase ino either leadership or other colleagues mwana gora tu manande iga because of conflict of interest naro tagetabe goseno munyakero goyu naro tagetabe nini. It happens sometimes, and how do you overcome that?
Okay, like we said, every market there must be a madman.
That's true.
And the kerenka was andons where people are in a group erasma engane tuomane. So it's normal. So in our group we always encounter such challenges. In that you can find that the treasurer has got a different idea, I have a different idea. So when the ideas hit, everyone wants his idea to be taken first. Or you find that when he has a budget, I have a different budget, I have a different opinion. So when we table the opinions, we find that we have a conflict of interest. So you find that I want you to be paid 2,500, whereas I want that person to be paid 1,000. Because I want the other cash to do something else. So the conflict comes out, but later on when we share the ideas, why do I want it to be paid this way? And he explains to me why he wants this one to be paid this way. So we come to an agreement and the conflict is actually solved.
So there's room for understanding, there's room for listening to each other. You know, a remedy. Otherwise, una leadership, and that thing will die just like that. Your last words, parting shots. You say hi to your colleagues, your teachers, and the whole fraternity, Kisii National Polytechnic, now the same, so that we call it a day. For some other time.
Okay. Yes. I came up with the treasurer because he is also talented. He has songs that he needs to be nurtured.
Okay.
So nyuma tutara kwana kende mogonchi sere ogotera kwayo komo abantu bali iskali ba subscribe ba follow. We actually nurturing talent.
Producer Ndizi omurubiri noro kwendejo na tutaweka. I promise you that. But what kind of music do you sing? Lingara?
For now, I do Kisii Aban.
Kisii Aban. In fact, Karagunyango just mistari no nyene sentence ibiriga manya naye go say yes.
This is a song remember oyera ngayora ire. Ngayora ire. Oyera ngayora ire. Ngayora ire. Omwana maete konyenye mboli nando maete ko bugyo morori omwana maete konyenye mboli nando maete ko bugyo morori omuisa gache bichuko
YouTube na kiyo gotoka YouTube
Lucky VJ
Lucky
VJ VIJAY
VJ. By the way, saa 8 na kugoko igore show ento bwata Gusii Aban music eyogotera ne rinta mayanga why did you get there something else like you music no ya is it drawing?
I do event organizing and I do modeling.
By the way, ayota kirojo cha session for a very intensive interview as umurobiri Gusii Aban Blaze. We are organizing this so that Gusii Aban Blaze tuchutomotware na a guest yomorobili oju ototebia mange about music, because there's a lot about music. Igo nkoga story so that tuchutomanya oyerenga yora ire mano mayeto kayenye mboli anyway ntochuto organize ochoche interview asomorobili Gusii Aban Blaze aka ekebembeli yakola tumuswati Petronila Mokeira nkomotebinde anengoli gitora materao right away ngochie salo chakira saa 8. Thank you so much.
Oh, we appreciate for that.
Yeah, thank you.
So my last word was those who want or feel to nature talents, you are free to join us.
Yes.
You are free to partner with us. We really appreciate for those who have partnered with us. We also appreciate for Ndizi TV for airing out our club outside here.
Yeah, thank you.
So we appreciate anytime you are welcome to come and showcase your station. And for our teachers and our fellow colleagues there at school, for giving us the audience and the place to actually nurture the talents. We also appreciate the Kisii National Fraternity. And also our able patron, we actually say a big thank you. Mr. George, Mr. Obino, we actually say thank you. Mr. Cyprian, a big thank you to you. And we don't forget our parents, because if they couldn't be them, we couldn't be here. We have supportive parents who actually also nurture our talents. Like I remember Mimi, in modeling, whenever I share something or I post something, the whole of my family has to post it.
So your support.
The support is actually massive. We also appreciate for that. And I also want, I also do charity organization because I'm a social worker.
Yes, time is running.
We also want to invite you people to be partnering with us.
All right.
So we give a big thank you.
Thank you so much. And 30 seconds, your parting shot. Please be brief.
Yeah. Mangana na mange na chinsa chikwaya. We say thank you for inviting us here. Club getongo move kere to levels. And thank you ndo chitogamba mange. Actually me being here is a dream come true because I've been following you for so long.
All right, thank you so much. Pia mwana sana. Mwanchu muligelia kilicho na mwanzo akikosi kuwa na mwisho. Na hapo ndio tunafikia mwisho ama kikomo asomurubule to batebano mambe kurasa baroko kurasa skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic under a club wekoro kwa I Got Talent bakara wane President Brian na Hezron buno mugachi murubule to chagete mto Brighton Makoli ndoche biro byaire kulende kwa niaba yake ngote bangambiye mono sana sogo to bwate korochitwa gachagete mpaka tuikire gaiga e producer ito murubule Joshua Uta ene kirebuna kwa Nyolronsi asenchira yobwekera ngo kuganeria otwaro buligeri borobya yendrago shirikia somo cheso liwe chibesa sengencho ngochorego chiegwa asemero buliende erebosio ncheni konkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter ko batebyo twaro buligeri borobya ime Ndizi TV na Erwansu bomusi. Thank you so much.